Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. How are you? Hope that all of you are well. I'm also fine by the grace of Almighty Allah. My dear students, today I am going to start a new class by using our technology. This is mobile phone. My dear students, this class is brought to you by Shirajganj Multilateral High School, Shirajganj. And before going to start my class, I like to introduce myself. This is your Mahbub sir, assistant teacher of English, Shirajganj Multilateral High School. This class belongs to class 9 and 10, subject English first paper. Okay, dear students, you see what's the picture about? What's the picture about?
It is a picture of our central Shohid Minar.
Thank you. It is a picture of our central Shohid Minar. Thank you. Next, what's the place in the picture?
It is basic Dhaka Medical College.
Actually, it is beside our Dhaka Medical College. Okay. Thank you very much. Next, why was it built?
It was built to honor and commemorate the sacrifice of the language martyr in 1950.
Yes, martyrs of our language movement. Thank you. This class, so you have already understood our today's class is about International Mother Language Day Part 1. Okay, thank you, my dear students. Before going to start the passage, I like to show you some vocabulary. Before going to start the passage, you have to read vocabulary. There are some more vocabularies here. Let us see. Memorable, this is adjective. Bangla, স্মরণীয়. Its synonym is unforgettable. Antonyms, forgettable. Observe, this is a verb, this is transitive verb. পালন করা. Its synonym is celebrate. Antonym is ignore. Tribute, in Bangla, শ্রদ্ধা. Synonym respect, homage, honor, and its antonym is disrespect. Martyr means shohid. Lay down, this is a phrase, উৎসর্গ করা. Its synonym is sacrifice and antonym is defend. Establish, this is transitive verb, that is VT, this is transitive verb. স্থাপন করা. Set up, ascertain, close down, this is antonym. Undivided means অবিভক্ত, this is also adjective. ADJ is called adjective. Synonym is unbroken, antonym divided. Sow means বপন করা, that is plant. Declare means ঘোষণা করা, announce, state. Antonym is cancel. Raise, raise, জাগ্রত করা, ওঠানো. Synonym cause, provoke, cheer up. It has also antonyms, that is quell, slow down. Protest, প্রতিবাদ করা. Demonstration, march. Its antonym is support. Gather, gather is also a transitive verb. This means is অর্জন করা, that is gain, get. Antonym is diffuse, weaken. Memorandum, that is this is memorandum. Momentum, গতি, তীব্রতা. Synonym is motion, force, break. Climax, climax, চরম অবস্থা, this is noun. Synonym is peak, apex. Antonyms nadir. Prevent means বাধা দেওয়া. Synonym stop, avert, avoid, discourage. Antonyms encourage, cheer up. My dear students, you know defy, this is also verb, upekha kora, synonym challenge, disobey, antonym is obey. Outlaw, this is also transitive verb, beaini, forbid, ban, prohibit, antonym is allow, legalize. Bring out, you know, bangla ber kora, synonym is start, antonym withdraw, disperse. Procession means মিছিল করা, you know, procession মিছিল. Demonstration, march. Open fire, this is also verb, গুলি বর্ষণ করা. Enkindle, প্রজ্বলিত করা, that is stimulate. Encourage, antonym is extinguish, discourage. Sparks in Bangla, স্ফুলিঙ্গ, fire. Independent, and finally স্বাধীন, self-governing, sovereign, it has also antonym, that is depend. My dear students, hope that you have already understood all the vocabularies. You have to go through the vocabularies to know the meaning to properly the passage. Let us go through the passage, dear students, through the passage. You know, our today's topic is International Mother Language Day. International Mother Language Day. So, read the text. 21st February is a memorable day in our national history. In our national history, 21st February is very memorable. We observe the day every year as International Mother Language Day. The day is a national holiday. My dear students, you know, the day is a national holiday. We have already observed this day today. On this day, we pay tribute to the martyrs who laid down their lives to establish Bangla as a state language in undivided Pakistan in 1952. It was undivided about 1952. The struggle to achieve our language rights is known as language movement. The seed of the language movement was shown on 21st March 1948 when Muhammad Ali Jinnah, the Governor General of Pakistan, declared, you know, Muhammad Ali Jinnah, the Governor General of Pakistan, declared in a public meetings in Dhaka that Urdu would be the one state language of Pakistan. Urdu would be the state language of Pakistan. It was impossible. The declaration raised a storm of protest in the eastern part of the country, because Bangladesh was then eastern part of the Pakistan. The protest continued non-stop, gathering momentum day by day. It turned into movement, you know, Andolan, and reached its climax, top of the place, in 1952. The government outlawed all sorts of public meetings and rallies to stop it. Pakistani ruler wanted to stop the people of Bangladesh, but they failed. The students of Dhaka University defied law. After listening this, Dhaka University student defied the law and brought out a peaceful protest procession. Peaceful, you know, shantipurna protest procession on 21st February 1952. When the procession reached near Dhaka Medical College, the police opened fire on the students, killing Salam, Rafiq, Barkat, Shafiur, and Jabbar. As a result, there were mass protests all over the country, and the government had to declare Bangla as a state language. Government had to declare Bangla as a state language, you know. This kindled the spark of the independence movement of Bangladesh. Actually, after language movements, we were on the road to our independence movement of Bangladesh. Dear students, we have already go through the passage. Yeah, I hope that you have already understood the passage. Dear students, after completing the passage, like to give you some task. You know, we have already completed our passage. Now, section C. You know, complete the short time. What happened? You know, time in 1947. What happened? 1948. What happened? 1952. What happened? You see, in 1947, Pakistan and India became independent. 1947, Pakistan and India became independent. In 1948, Muhammad Ali Jinnah declared that Urdu would be the state language of Pakistan. Then in 1952, the student of DU, that is Dhaka University, brought out a procession on 21st February. Hope that you have already understood this table. Then, my dear students, match the word. How do you know? That is, match the words with their meanings. Word: tribute, climax, outlaw, defy, provoke, relent, momentum. That is, what will be here? Tribute. Dear student, tribute, you know, the tribute, the act to show respect or admiration. This will be the answer. Next one, climax. Climax means the most exciting point in time. Then outlaw. You know what is outlaw? To ban. In Bangla, nishiddha kara. Defy. To refuse, obey. To refuse, to obey. That is অমান্য করা, মান্য করতে অস্বীকার করা। Provoke, dear students, to cause or to stimulate. This is provoke. Relent, to give in, নতি স্বীকার করা, আত্মসমর্পণ করা। Momentum, dear students, you know, momentum, it will be the ability to keep increasing or developing. So momentum means the ability to keep increasing or developing. Dear students, now section E. Answer these questions. Dear students, we have already completed section A, section B, section C and section D. Now we are in section E. Section E, you see, answer these questions. Why do we observe 21st February as International Mother Language Day? Dear students, you know, we observe 21st February as International Mother Language Day to pay tribute to the language martyrs of 1952. Then, what happened when Urdu was declared as the only state language of Pakistan? When Urdu was declared as the only state language of Pakistan, there raised a storm of protest in East Pakistan. It continued non-stop. My dear students, you have already understood two questions. And then last one, the seed of independence The seed of independence was sown on 21st February 1952. Do you agree? Why? Yes, answer will be yes, I agree. It's because on this day, by protesting Bangla as state language sacrificing life, the people of East Pakistan learned how to struggle against illegal decision and operation, and also understand that they had to fight for their rights, and the people dared to dream of free from West Pakistan. My dear students, after 25 years, we achieved our independence in 1971. So, hope that you have already understood the class, my dear students. Before ending the class, once again, I like to thank you. Thank you very much.